This project should be undertaken with parental or adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
What a great day, huh? Hey, who did that? Oh, you! So beautiful. Hi, what's your name?
I'm a mermaid, and you are?
Ken.
Let's go for a swim, Ken. Follow me.
It's so much fun. Okay, you know what? I have to ask you something. Will you marry me?
Yes.
Oh, this is the best day of my life.
Toys and dolls, don't miss out on the offer.
Sammy, what are you doing?
I started an event agency, but I don't have any clients yet.
An event agency? Great. I need help with my upcoming wedding.
Have you decided on a style?
Did I have to?
Here, take a look. It could be a pirate wedding or a superhero wedding. Something nautical, maybe?
So hard to decide. I'm marrying a mermaid.
You should have just said so. So, an under-the-sea wedding it is. Any guests?
Not many. Just 4 of my closest friends.
Okay, that's all I need to know.
Yay, I can't wait!
My first client! Oh, I'm so excited. Sue, I need your help with the wedding outfits.
No problem. I'm always happy to help you.
Cool. So where do we start?
First, we need measurements of everyone who needs costumes.
You got it.
And I'll take care of the stencil.
Too simple. Too flashy. Too dull.
Hey, girl, what's up?
Oh, hi, Sammy. I'm getting ready for Ken's wedding, you know. Need your advice. How do you like this dress? I don't want to outshine the bride.
Oh, it's very pretty. Except, the wedding is underwater.
What? But I can't go underwater. My dress will be ruined.
Don't worry, I have everything thought through. Follow me to the craft table. Hey, Sue, here's your first client.
Oh, hi there. Now tell me what your favorite color is.
Blue.
Say no more. One blue-colored outfit is coming right up. First, let's roll out some clay. Now, we'll trim the excess. Now, let's make sure that the outfit will have a very special marine vibe. The tail fin goes here. The top and the bracelets are in place too. And a choker, of course. All right, Sammy, what else do you think we add to this outfit?
How about some seashells?
Nah, we need something more fancy.
Okay. Fancy, huh? Let's see. I don't have anything like that.
Then here's a quest for you. Go find some rhinestones.
If I were a rhinestone, where would I hide? Huh? That's one weird-looking piece of paper. Whoa! Wait a second. Is that a treasure map? What if it can lead me to the rhinestones? It says I have to swim. Okay, here I come. Oh, I see something. Is that a treasure chest? Watch out, fishies. It's heavier than it looks. Okay, the moment of truth. Whoa, we have everything we need right here. Sue will be so excited.
So, for your hairstyle, I'm using flower clips.
Here are the rhinestones you asked for, Sue.
A whole chest! Wow! That's just what we need. First, let's put some glitter on. Now, to the rhinestones.
I also found perfect sequins for the tail.
Great. Let's put them on. We're going to need some glue for this one. We need more glitter here.
Here, let me do the sprinkling. I was born for this.
You did great, Sammy.
These also were in that chest. Neat, right?
Yeah,
Oh, I can't wait to see how I look.
give me just a second. A few sea crystals. And you're all set.
Wow, so sparkly. I'm gonna go look in the mirror.
Okay, Sammy, who's next?
It said here, we have 2 more pretty ladies. I wonder where they are. Oh, I'm about to hit a combo. Hey, what are you doing here?
Why?
What? You had to come to the wedding preparations.
Wedding preparations? Who's getting married?
Seriously? You've got the invitations right here.
Oh my! We got so caught up in the game, we didn't notice. Our roommate must have gotten them, and now he's at the tailor's?
Oh no, we won't have time to get our outfits ready. And why do you think I am here for? Ladies, follow me. Sue, are you ready? I brought you 2 more guests.
Hi!
Hi, girls. Who's gonna go first?
That's what rock, paper, scissors are for.
Yay! Rock, paper, scissors. 1, 2, 3.
One more time.
3 hours later.
1, 2.
I think it's a draw, guys. Let's just go with you. So, what's your favorite color?
Purple, of course.
Then purple it is.
Do you happen to have a lighter shade?
It can be arranged. We just need to add a little white.
This is perfect! Yay!
Alrighty, it's time to get to work. Now stand still, please. And the tail fin, of course.
I found a nail polish that matches the color perfectly.
Great job, Sam. Sammy, can I get some lavender-colored glitter for this outfit, please?
Why do you keep giving me so hard quests, Sue? How about this?
Well, you did the lavender part, right? A little bit of magic, and voila! There you go.
Wow, Sue, you're quite the fashion designer.
Thanks. Now, let's decorate the tail.
We're behind the schedule. Speed up.
You got it, boss.
Here, let me do that. You're welcome.
Here go big gems and pretty pearls.
You forgot all about the scales.
Oh, right. Thanks, Tibidaba. You are here, Sam. Whoa, you look so pretty. We only need to do your hair. Done. What do you think?
Perfection.
Yeah, I love this outfit too. Next, please.
Oh, yes. I'm here.
Come with me, girl.
What's your color choice?
Yellow, please.
Your wish is my command.
Let me pin your hair up so it's out of the way.
Look what I found, Sue. It's a rhinestone ribbon.
Wow, it's so shiny. Good catch, Sammy.
Always at your service. Sue, we need more red gems.
You got it. Red goes perfectly with yellow.
You didn't forget the scales this time, did you?
I remember. But first we need to finish the rhinestones.
Am I looking good or what?
Fabulous. But let's save these for the outfit, okay?
Now, we get to the scales, right?
That's right, Sammy. It's scale time.
Who's ready? ready to look in the mirror.
Hey, my hair!
Whoopsie. I nearly forgot. You can choose a hairpin now.
These. And these.
What do you say now?
Wow!
Okay, it's the 6th time you've tried this suit on. What do you say?
Oh, it's too tight for me. So uncomfortable.
Meh. Fine. 2 more days and I will fix it.
What? But I need it now. You're so getting a bad review.
Whatever. He's such a baby.
Aw, yellow looks so good on you.
That's true. You look like a little underwater sunshine.
Wow, I love your outfit so much. And your hair? Gorgeous!
Guys, it's all ruined. I don't have the right suit for the wedding.
Don't panic. We'll figure something out.
I've already got the clay ready.
Let's get to work.
Here's the tail fin.
Thank you. It goes right here.
The arms are taken care of too.
Awesome! We can get to decoration!
Don't forget the glitter. It's very important.
I would never. Here comes a nice wide belt. Now, some mermaid magic! Voila!
Oh wow, Derek. You look so handsome, buddy. I'm afraid you might outshine the groom himself.
Where are you, Mermaid? Do you mind if I sing at our wedding?
Oh, wow! You've picked up a song, and I still don't have my wedding dress.
Don't worry, love. Sam and Sue will help us.
All right. Nice ride, by the way.
Salty!
I love salty.
No food in the crafting area.
Okay, let me freshen up a bit.
Now for the bride, I have a special trick.
Wow, that's my favorite color, pink. So, are we gonna be done soon?
The bride always needs more time to prepare, Sam.
Okay, I'll entertain the guests then.
What kind of hairstyle do you want?
How about braids and ribbons?
Great choice. And we're all set.
Let's get arty at our party and make a magnificent mountain range using lots of colourful patterned paper for a brilliant effect. But first, we'll need some things from... the Doodle Tree! That's right! We'll need some coloured card and scraps of patterned wrapping paper. A patterned gift box. Very funny, Doodle Tube. And we'll need a glue stick. Okay, mini makers, let's get started. Now, first up, let's bring in this nice light blue card for the background of our picture. And now, mini makers, we're going to tear out some triangles from our patterned wrapping paper. We've got lots of nice colours there. Let's start off with this nice blue patterned paper. Yeah, that's a nice one to start with. I'm going to put my triangles over here. Keep going until you've made lots of triangle shapes from different pieces of patterned paper. And now we can tear out some different shapes. We could even tear some rolling hills for our picture. I'm going to use green for this first of all, and I'm going to tear a curvy shape like this. Oh yes, very nice. One last colour now. Alfie, should we go for this one? Yes. Here we go. We've got lots of mountains and rolling hills. It's time to glue them down. Oliver, if you could pass me the first mountain. Thank you. And let's stick it down. That looks nice. Right, Abby, where should we put the next one? Good idea, my friend. Let's stick it down. Now let's stick down the rest of our mountains and hills. Don't worry if the edges of your hills hang over the edge of the paper. You can always trim them off with some scissors, like this. Looks good, but it needs a finishing touch. Here comes the sun. There, mini makers, do you like this picture?
Yes!
Well, I'm glad that you like it because now it's your turn to make your own arty party picture. But first, you've got to put on your arty apron! It's time to start the art! This picture looks like a colourful countryside. Ewan, what have we got in the middle there?
A hill.
A hill with some nice green triangles on it. And here, this isn't just an ordinary mountain because it's a
Spotty mountain.
spotty mountain. Ewan, I love it. And it makes me wonder, has anyone else ever had any arty pattern ideas? Let's find out. William Morris lived in England over 100 years ago. He was very creative and made all sorts of wonderful things, including furniture, stained glass windows, and colourful cloth. That's enough for now. What I need is some fresh air. Oh, this is the life. Some people think that one day, when William was admiring the roses in his garden, oh, the roses smell wonderful this year. He had a brilliant idea. That's it! A trellis! It's given me a brilliant idea. A trellis is a crisscross wooden frame used to support plants and flowers. Ha-ha! And using a rose trellis design, he started to create his first ever wallpaper pattern. But he felt there was something missing. That's it! Birds! He asked a friend to help him add them to the finished repeat pattern that looked like this. His wallpaper designs were very popular, and he created lots of different types, including flowers, plants, fruit, and more birds. Another repeated pattern, another bird. But time flies when you're having fun. Ha! Phew! What I need is some more fresh air. Ha! William Morris became world famous for his many fabric and wallpaper pattern designs. Oh, you could say it's the sweet smell of success. Good old William Morris. I think you can safely say that there was a pattern emerging there, don't you? Now let's see how the mini makers are getting on. What have you made, Brandon?
A really colourful forest.
Well, it is very colourful indeed, and it's got lots of patterns on the trees. What patterns have you used?
Stars, diamonds, dots, zigzags, and triangles.
Wow, fantastic! Lots and lots of perfect patterns. Megan, your mountains have got so many different patterns in them. And what pattern have you got in the sea?
Stars.
Some stars in the wavy sea. Amy, tell me, what's this here?
It's a path that leads up to a little house in the woods.
Oh, very nice. A special little house. And what's this above the mountains?
I have some birds and a big golden sun.
A very shiny sun. Well done, Amy. It's a lovely picture. But I can hear snoring. It sounds like someone's asleep at our party. Who is it, everyone? That's right, it's the shapes. And I think we should wake them up. So after 3, ready? 1, 2, 3. Wake up! Let's all dance with the shapes!
I am a circle.
Spin around in a circle on the ground.
I am a triangle.
Clap your hands in the air, triangles everywhere.
I am a square.
Everybody draw a square, draw it here, draw it there.
Everybody draw a square. I am a rectangle.
Bounce everybody, bounce like you just don't care.
Bounce everybody.
What's it going to be? Wait and we will see a shape for you and me.
I am a triangle.
What are the triangles making? Can you guess? That's right, it's a tiger. That was fantastic, Triangle. It's time to get back on the shelf. Yay! Oh, look! Grand surprise party popper! To make a pattern picture like this, choose any 3 colours of chalk and stick them together using sticky tape. Then, on some paper or card, draw lines around the edge to make a border. Next, draw a line across the middle. And finally, fill in all the gaps with patterns. What a fantastic picture! Well done, Scraps. And you can make any sort of pattern picture you like. Okay, Alfie, let's have a look at your picture. What colours have you used there, Alfie?
I used purple, green, yellow, and orange.
What a perfect pattern. Well done, Alfie. What pattern have you made, Abby?
I've made a checkered pattern.
Oh, it's very nice. Lots and lots of squares. And how did you make these lines here?
I strapped 2 pieces of chalk together to make the line.
Very nice. What a great effect. What a colourful pattern here made by Charisse. Now, what colours have you used?
I used red and yellow and green and purple.
Charisse, you've made a perfect pattern. Well done, Mini Makers. And right now, follow me. Come on, everyone. This way. Come on, over you come. Well done, mini makers. Now you are about to make a brilliant party picture. Have a look at the screen and see if you can guess what it is. What picture are today's mini makers making? Any ideas? What do you think it could be?
It's a pair of socks.
That's right, you made a super pair of socks. And that noise is super too, because it means it's time for an Arty Party Game! So it's over to Party Cam to find out which mini makers are playing today. Off you go. It's Jessica! Yay! Brilliant! Who's next? Off you go. Who's last but not least? Let's find out. It's Jess! Yay! Well done, my friends. You've been chosen for a very special Arty Challenge! Hey! Today's game is called Lining Up the Apples and Pears and lots of other fruit too. Mini makers, your Arty challenge is to make a fantastic fruit print picture like this one here, but you're gonna make a really big one. You're gonna paint your picture on these colourful squares and you're gonna do it using these fruity printers like this, and you're gonna use lots and lots of paint. This is going to get a little bit messy, so that's why our mini makers are wearing their Arty Party suits. So then, Jess, Fletcher and Jessica, do you think you can do it?
Yeah!
I think so too, but you're going to have to be very quick. You've got to finish your picture before Scraps makes this noise. Ready? Steady? Go! Off you go, mini makers. Let's get printing. And walk down. That's it. Oh, it's looking great, mini makers. Well done. That's it. Well done. Oh, very nice, Fletcher. Oh, very good. Well done, Jess. You can reload now if you like. And one more strawberry. Careful, go on. Yes, that's it, you did it!
Yay!
Well done, my friends. Look at that. It's a fantastic fruit print picture. That was brilliant, but now it's time to tidy up. Go on, mini makers, you get started. We've had a great Arty Party today. We've had a lot of fun with patterns, making torn paper pattern pictures and chalk patterns. We found out how William Morris made patterned wallpaper, and we printed giant fruit patterns in our Arty Party game. We've been arty at our Arty Party. Are you ready? Your fun's just begun! Yes, our party's over, but your Arty fun is just beginning. It's time to put the party pad back in its box. See you soon, everyone. Bye!